Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following is the main objective of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC? A. Conduct climate research and implement climate policies. B. Provide scientific assessments on climate change and its impacts. C. Regulate global greenhouse gas emissions. D. Promote renewable energy development. Answer is option B. The main objective of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, is to provide scientific assessments on climate change, its impacts, and possible mitigation and adaptation strategies. Established in 1988 by the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, and the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, the IPCC evaluates and synthesizes existing research rather than conducting its own studies. Its reports, including assessment reports, ARs, released approximately every 7 years, serve as the scientific foundation for global climate policies, such as the Paris Agreement. Consider the following statements regarding Amir Khusro. 1. He was a prominent poet in the court of Alauddin Khilji. 2. He is credited with the development of the musical instrument, sitar. 3. His works were limited to the Persian and Arabic language. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer is option B. Statement 1 is correct. Amir Khusro served as a court poet under several Delhi sultans, including Alauddin Khilji. Statement 2 is correct. Amir Khusro is credited with significant contributions to the development of the sitar. He is said to have modified existing instruments to create it. Statement 3 is incorrect. While Amir Khusro did write extensively in Persian, he was not limited to that language alone. He also composed works in Hindvi, an early form of Hindi, and other regional languages, contributing significantly to the cultural heritage of India. Bestowed with the sobriquet of Tut-e-Hind, the parrot of India, the 13th century mystic is seen as a father figure for North India's syncretic Ganga Jamuni culture. Thank you.